Most people holding USDT right now are making one huge mistake. Their money is doing absolutely nothing, just sitting there in a wallet, on an exchange, or in a trading account, doing absolutely nothing and losing opportunities every day. Meanwhile, some crypto users are actively earning passive interest on their USDT without actively trading. And no, this is not some complicated crypto trading strategy. Today, I will show you exactly how earning interest on USDT works, how flexible and fixed crypto savings work, the risk involved, and how beginners can start generating passive yield on their stablecoin. And that said, let's break it down simply. Welcome back to the Grind Academy, where we break down crypto, online income, and digital money opportunities in the simplest way possible. And today, we're talking about one of the easiest passive income strategies in crypto, and that is earning interest on USDT. Before we talk about earning interest, let's quickly understand what USDT actually is. USDT, also called Tether, is a stablecoin. That means one USDT is designed to stay close to $1. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which moves aggressively up and down. USDT is designed to remain stable, and that is why many crypto users use it to store their profit, use it for trading, and send money internationally. But here is the important part. A lot of people simply hold USDT without realizing that certain platforms allow you to earn yield or interest on that idle USDT. And here is where crypto savings comes in. So how does earning interest on USDT actually work? Think about traditional banks for a second. When you deposit money into a savings account, the bank uses that money for financial activities, for their financial activities, and in return, they pay you a little percentage. Crypto savings work somewhat similarly. Some crypto platforms allow users to deposit into saving products, and in return, users earn yield over time, usually shown as APY, which stands for annual percentage yield. The higher the APY, the more potential interest you can earn. Now, there are usually two common types: flexible savings and fixed saving. Flexible savings means you can withdraw your funds anytime. The earning or the interest might be slightly lower, but it means more flexibility. For fixed savings, you lock your USDT or your funds for a specific period of time, and in return, you earn higher interest or higher return. So basically, flexible gives you more freedom, while fixed gives you higher return. Now, obviously, nobody is becoming a millionaire overnight from USDT savings, but that's not really the point. The idea is, instead of leaving stablecoins sitting around doing nothing, some people prefer to leave them in low yield systems, which is one reason why crypto passive income has become increasingly popular. Again, higher yield means higher risk compared to traditional banking systems. So it's important to understand that this is crypto and not a government-insured bank account. Now, let me show you how this usually works, and we're going to use CoinX as an example. First thing you're going to need to do is create an account with CoinX. You either create it on the desktop version or you create an account with them anywhere, but I'm going to advise that you download the app. The app is actually preferable, right? So the first thing you're going to need to do after you've created an account, it's very easy to create an account with CoinX. You're going to need to click on deposit/buy crypto, deposit/buy crypto. So once you have it clicked, you're going to need to deposit money which you're going to save, because you don't have money here, you're not going to save. So once you have this, you have two methods of deposit. You have to deposit using your address. So once you click on deposit here, it's going to give you your address which you're going to copy and send either USDT or any fund in it, and then maybe convert it to USDT, because you're going to be using USDT for this. The next thing you can actually do is buy crypto via P2P. P2P is actually amazing. We have good prices there. You can actually buy using P2P, right? Now, to sign up on CoinX, I'm actually going to leave the link to CoinX in the description section. All you have to do is click on it and then get redirected to CoinX and sign up. Okay, so after you've deposited the funds in your CoinX account, the next thing you're going to need to do is come over where we have assets. You see below here we have assets. So I click on assets right here, And once I click on assets here, this is where I get to see my balance and all of that. So if I'm going to see, normally I'm going to be at overview. Now, if I want to go on and actually save and earn from my idle USDT, I'm going to click on earn. So once I click earn, I'm going to have flexible savings, fixed savings, staking, dual investment. Now we're going to focus on the major thing while we're here, which is flexible savings and fixed savings. I already explained how this thing works. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on subscribe. So once I click on subscribe, I'm going to get redirected here, and it says flexible savings, enjoy daily compound interest with flexibility. Now that's the good thing about this. It doesn't wait till the end of the year to give you your interest. It's daily. Your interest comes in every day. So you have USDT right here. You have USDC. You have it. This is the percentage, and it shows you the percentage you're going to earn from each of the products here, which you're going to put your savings into. So I'm going to pick USDT, and I click on USDT, which is actually the one we have here, and I'm going to choose the amount that I want to invest. So let's say I want to invest $500, $1,000. All I can do here is write it here and get it invested. So now you see here, estimated daily income. Once I put it, I'm going to see how much I'm going to earn per day, and that is it. And I'm going to come down right here, and I'm going to make sure I click on I've read and agreed to the CoinX flexible savings user agreement. I'm just going to click on subscribe, and once I do that, I get to subscribe. It's that easy. Now, if I want to do the same thing for fixed savings, that is something I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do for fixed savings. I just pick the one I want, choose the amount I want to choose, and then minimum is $100. Put the amount I want, and then click on I've read this. Be sure to read this if you've not read that. Click on I've read this, and then click on subscribe. And once I do that, I'm going to earn this. I'm going to earn 5% in 90 days. Remember, I told you guys you're going to earn higher. In 90 days, I'm going to earn 5%. But I'm not going to touch the money in 90 days. 90 days is like 3 months. So in 90 days, I earn 5%. And this is actually on the good side. Now, once you've invested, I'm going to advise that the money you invest here, either in flexible or in fixed savings accounts, be sure to allow it to mature before you withdraw. Be sure to allow that money mature before you withdraw. Now, when you withdraw your investment, be sure to not leave any money that you cannot risk to lose on any of these platforms. Remember, these platforms are not insured by the government. Now let's talk about something most videos avoid talking about, and that is risk, which is not true. Some risks include platform risk, liquidity risk, smart contract issues, stablecoin concerns, exchange security risk. And that is why diversification matters, and why you should research platforms carefully. Use strong security practices, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid chasing unrealistic APY promises. If something promises absurd guaranteed returns, that is usually a red flag. If you want to explore it yourself, you can check the link in the description and research the platform CoinX further. And if you want more beginner-friendly videos about crypto, online money, passive income, AI tools, and digital finance, subscribe to the Grind Academy, and I'll see you in the next one.